Step 1. Place the wooden piece numbering 1 on the floor. Then attach cam screw in all the holes with white rings. Step 2. Attach part 2 to part 1. Then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Step 3. Then attach part 3 to part 2 as shown in the figure. Fasten up the cam locks. Step 4. Then attach part 4 to part 3 using wooden dowels as shown in the figure. Fasten up the cam lock. Step 5. Similarly, attach part 5 to part 4 using wooden dowels as shown in the figure. Step 6. After that, attach part 6 to part 1, 2, 3. Step 7. Attach part 6 to part 3, 4, 5 as shown in the figure. Step 8. Attach part 6 to part 1, 2, 3 as shown in the figure. Step 9. Attach part 6 to part 3, 4, 5 as shown in the figure. Step 10. After that, attach part 7 to part 5, 1, 3. Then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Step 11. Attach part 8 to 5, 3, 1 part as shown in the figure. Then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam screw. Step 12. Attach part 9 to part 4 as shown in the figure. Step 13. Similarly, attach part 10 to part 2 as shown in the figure. Your bed is ready to use. Thank you.